What if I told you just by knowing the first number, you can find sum of 100 consecutive numbers just in 5 seconds? Yes, you got me right. Hi, this is Haris Mitrajkumar. Today, we'll be seeing consecutive numbers, tips and tricks. And this also involves problems because this is a topic which is really easy, and the number of questions asked in any aptitude exams, at least they'll ask one question in your bank exams and everything, and even in placement, if you prepare similar type, definitely you may expect some or the other questions in it. So let's quickly get into the video. So consecutive numbers. So what are consecutive numbers? What is the meaning of consecutive? The next. It is not the immediate next. It depends on what consecutive numbers are they asking. If I ask you a natural consecutive number, which means natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4. So the next number is nothing but the natural consecutive numbers. For example, if I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it goes on and on, right? This is a natural, consecutive natural numbers, right? And that can, what are these numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, it goes on and on. These are even numbers. So these are consecutive even numbers. Okay. So let me write consecutive natural numbers, right? So these are consecutive natural numbers. Likewise, you'll be having consecutive, you'll be having consecutive even number and consecutive odd number, right? Yes. So these are consecutive even numbers and this is consecutive odd numbers. Let me just change it. Even, and this is odd, right? So what are consecutive odd numbers? So let just tell me the odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, those are the numbers, right? So let me write 1, 3, 5, 7, it goes on and on. So you have to have a formula for this, right? So let us assume the first number as x. So before assuming, it is just incrementing by 1, right? It is just incrementing. Incrementing means it is just adding by 1. So the formula for this, if I assume x as 1, what will be the next number? X plus 1. What will be the next number? X plus 2. What will be the next number? X plus 3. Because with the respect to the first number only, you will be able to find the remaining numbers. So I'm assuming, so this is the formula for consecutive natural numbers. Likewise, consecutive even numbers. So this is added by 2. So these numbers are added by 2 and it goes on and on. So it will become x, then after it x plus 2, then it will become x plus 4, then it will become x plus 6. It goes on and on. Likewise, even here, it is just incrementing. I mean, it is just adding by 2. So again, it is adding by 2. Again, it is adding by 2. Okay. So here the formula is just the same for this as well as this. So consecutive odd numbers or consecutive even numbers, your formula is the same. So basically here I'm fixing for odd number, I'm fixing the number as x and I'm incrementing by 2. Suppose if I'm here, I'm fixing the number as 1 and I'm incrementing by 2, I'll be getting the answer. Whereas in even numbers, I'm fixing the first number as 2. Okay, so that is the difference. Now, suppose if I tell you, give me consecutive numbers that are divisible by 3. So, if your number is divisible by 3, it is 3, 6, 9, it goes on and on, right? So, what happens? It will become x, x plus 3, x plus 6, it goes on and on and on, right? So, for this, if they ask you these kind of questions, so you just keep your first number as x. Then if they're asking you n multiples, so multiples of n means for here your multiple of here I asked multiple of 3. So if I ask multiples of n, it will become n plus n plus 2n, n plus 3n. So if I'm asking consecutive n multiple numbers. So I hope it is clear. So this is consecutive numbers that are divisible by 3. So here it is n. Instead of n, you can substitute any value. Okay, if they ask consecutive 4-digit number, you can do that. Consecutive number that are divisible by 4, you can just substitute instead of n, you can substitute 4. You'll be able to get it. I hope you understood it. Now, let me answer the question. Sum of 3 consecutive even integers. So, even integers means, even consecutive integers means your formula is x plus 2 and x plus 4. So, since they asked only 3 even integers, I'm just taking only 3. So, their sum, what did they tell me? Their sum is 54. So, okay, so these are the numbers and these sum are 54 and they asked to find least among them. So they are asking the least among them. First, it will be 3x plus 6, which will be 54. Then 3x will be 54 minus 6. 3x will be, then it will become 48. X will become 48 by 3. X is nothing but your ones are 16. X is 16. So they asked the least number. So your least number is x. Then it becomes x plus 2, which is 18. Then 20. So your least number is 16. So 16 will be your right answer. So I hope you understood the sum. Now let's go to the next one. Next one, as I already told you, the formula for it. Sum of 3 consecutive natural number divisible by 3. As I already told you, if it is divisible number, this is your formula. So here instead of n, what I should substitute? I have to substitute 3 since it is divisible by 3. Okay, so as usual, the first number, what I'm assuming the first number as x. Next number, this is your first number. Next number is divisible by 3 means it will become x plus 3. Since x plus n, then it becomes x plus 2 into 3, which is 6. So x plus 2 into 3, which is 6. Then you are adding everything. So when your final answer here will be 45. So this 3x plus 9 is equal to 45. 3x is equal to 45 minus 9. Then 3x is equal to 36. X will be equal to 12. So the smallest number is your x here. The x is 12. Okay. Now, so there is a question for you guys. Just I hope it is visible. Right? You have to find. It is a simple question. Just comment the answer below. You have to find the value of integers whose sum of 2 consecutive integers. If it is just 2 consecutive integers, it is a natural number only. Okay. I mean, it is an integer, right? It is consecutive also. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to or minus 1, minus 2. So what formula you are supposed to use and what is the answer for this question? Kindly comment below. So yes, let's meet in different video tomorrow. Thank you.